Tired of Lightroom Classic slowing you down? Let's dramatically boost its speed and responsiveness. First, let's optimize your catalog. A cluttered catalog is often the biggest culprit. Regularly clean out unused previews and delete old, irrelevant entries. Think of your catalog like a library. The more organized it is, the faster you can find what you need. Next, we'll dive into your cache. Head over to Lightroom's Preferences and select the Performance tab. Here, you'll see your camera raw cache settings. Increase the cache size significantly, especially if you work with many large files. This allows Lightroom to store more preview data, reducing the need to regenerate it constantly. Smart previews are a game changer for speed. When you're offline or working with slower hard drives, they're smaller, less demanding versions of your full-resolution images, allowing for quicker editing and smoother navigation, even if your original files are located elsewhere. To implement them, simply select your imported images and from the library menu, choose Previews, then build Smart Previews. You'll notice the difference immediately in modules. Develop these steps, while simple, collectively make a huge impact on your workflow. By regularly optimizing your catalog, expanding your cache, and leveraging Smart Previews, you'll transform your Lightroom experience from a slow drag to a smooth, efficient editing powerhouse, letting you focus on your creativity, not the wait.